Choosing an outsourcing partner is one of the highest stake decisions a business makes. And most of the questions on a standard RFP won't tell you whether the partnership will work. Not because the questions are wrong, because they only test half of what matters. Every RFP covers the basic: cost per seat, ramp time, geographic coverage, SLAs. Those tell you what a partner can do. They don't tell you what a partner thinks or what happens when your business changes. And your business will change. That is where partnership quietly stops working. Not on day one, when everything is going according to the deck. Somewhere later, when the volume shift or expectations move. The buyers who get great outcomes ask a different set of questions going in. 10 of them specifically, we group them into 4 areas. First, fit. Does this partner understand your industry, or will they learn it on your dime? Second, operations. What's their model for continuous improvement? Not as a talking point, but as a process. Third, scale and adaptation. Can they scale up when you need them to and adapt as your business evolves? Fourth, measurement and support. How do they measure success? And does that match how you measure success? 10 questions, 4 categories, all designed to test the relationship, not just the capacity. When the questions change, you stop evaluating vendors and start evaluating operators. You make the decisions with your eyes open, not based on a deck, but on how the partner thinks. That's a different starting point, and it leads to a different outcome. The full list is in our blog with what to listen for in the answers. Read it before your next vendor call. Link in the description.